What's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you one simple strategy that can change the game for you, right? This strategy can make you become a consistent profitable trader if you follow whatever I'm going to be sharing with you. And it's simple. Once you open your chart, it won't take you more than 2 minutes to analyze the market and decide the direction you are going for the day, right? So let's see our work here in this forex market. Okay, the reason why we apply candlestick patterns, use indicators, use chart patterns, different concept, trading concept, is just for us to know two things. Because what we do here is that we study the trend, okay, and we also study the turning point. We want to know when the price is going to turn. Okay, so we are interested in checking the turning point or continuation. If this price is going to continue to be pushing up, or the price is going to reverse and change direction to the downside. So whenever you are looking at your chart, let's say that the current price is right here. Okay, so at this point, what you just want to know is if this price will continue to push to the upward direction, or this price is going to reverse to the downside. This place is the decision environment or decision point whenever you are trading. These are the two things we are doing. It's simple but complex. Okay, but the strategy I'm going to be sharing with you today is going to make this very easy for you, right? But we are not looking at trend continuation. We are looking at trend reversal. We are looking at turning points for in this video, right? That's what we are focusing. Most time I've been dropping videos on how to trade with the trend, right? How to know the direction of the market by trading with the trend, right? So but now I'm going to be sharing with you turning point, and we are going to be using just two indicators. One, to identify the turning point. Two, to identify our entry point. So you don't need to stress yourself. The indicator is going to show you the sign that the price is going to be changing direction. Okay, and the second one is going to be showing you the exact place you are going to be making entry, so you don't need to bother yourself, but going from daily time frame to 4 hours to weekly to monthly to 1 minute, anything like that. No, we are going to be using only two time frame for this strategy. Okay, so let's dive into it. First, we are going to be checking out the setup, right? So you go to your indicator section. So the first indicator you're going to be adding is the RSI, which is relative strength index. Okay, we have the period, change it to 7 and leave the rest as default. Okay, change it to 7, and you can see we have if you open it maybe for the first time, this place will be 14. Okay, just change it to 7. Then the next thing you want to do is that you will come here. Okay, these levels, just come to the levels, because if you come to the chart, okay, if you come to the chart, you have level 70 and you have level 30, but you can see the line is faint. You might not be able to see this line clearly. Okay, so what you need to do is to come back to your RSI, come to these levels, okay, and click on this plus button here. Sorry, you come to levels, okay, and click this particular pen icon. Okay, once you click on it, then click on the style, okay, right here, this one here. Okay, just click on it, then change the color maybe to dark, that is, make the color dark or darker, which is choosing black. Then come here, change this to 4 pixels, and come back and click on done. So if you go back to our chart now, you can clearly see these lines. Okay, you can see these lines here now. Okay, then that's the setup for RSI. The second indicator we are using is the moving average, okay, which is going to be on our main chart. So we are going to be using the moving average 50, shift 0, exponential. You can see all this. Take a screenshot. Then the only modification you're going to do right here, okay, is this one. Come to time frame and make sure you select only 15 minutes time frame. By default, it will select all these time frames, so make sure you are selecting only 15 minutes. Okay, so once you are done, you come back to your chart and let's see. Okay, let's see this movie together, right? So we are going to be using what is called divergence. Okay, I know most of us have heard about it, or we know it, or anything like that. Okay, so we are going to be using what is called divergence. Okay, divergence is simply when an indicator, just like this RSI here, okay, is saying something opposite to what the chart is, showing us. Okay, when you are seeing something different, okay, um in the indicator section, okay, to what you are seeing in the main chart. So let's say that the main chart is doing, the price, maybe the price is going up this way and the price is creating higher highs, okay. You expect the indicator section to keep creating higher highs, but each time, okay, each time the price started to create, that is the chart, the candlestick, the main chart started to create maybe higher highs, and you come to indicator and indicator is now creating maybe higher low, that's a divergence right there. So if you look here, the price is creating higher high, here price is creating higher low. So they are opposite. They are saying something uh, um, uh, different at the same time. The same chart saying something. There is the indicator showing you something different. Then the chart is showing you something different. So we are using relative strength index because it's actually showing us the strength, okay, of the market, okay, the strength of buyers and sellers. So we need to see, let's say if the price is pushing to the upward direction, okay, if you are trending to the upside, okay, and the price is still creating this breaking highs, breaking highs, breaking highs, okay, we need to see weakness through the indicator, okay. So the price can keep breaking highs also in the indicators. At a point the price might decide not to break the highs again, okay, and show a sign, a decline, a sign of weakness in this indicator section, okay. Once you see the sign of weakness, okay, right here, that's the point you now start checking your entry, okay. This is a sign, this is a turning point that you want to take advantage of, and that is exactly what I'm here to share with you, how to take advantage of this turning point, right? So I hope you get the concept, okay. I hope you understood this explanation when it comes to divergence, okay. When the chart, okay, the main chart, okay, or the candlesticks here, when they are showing something different from indicator, they are opposites of what the indicator is showing us, okay. So let's see maybe a good example using this, okay. So I've already marked out some places because of time, okay. So if you look here, the price keep creating lower lows and all that, okay, as the price keep dropping to the downside, right? So you can see that's the movement, okay. So if you look what the price is doing here, if you look carefully, you will discover that the price, instead of keep creating this lower lows, okay, the price started to make a triple um bottom right here, okay. The price saying something different from what the chart is showing us, okay. So if I pick this cross here, you can see here, this is the point, okay. So we have this swing here, we have this swing here, okay. Then look at the second swing, okay, which is the next swing low. But look at this one. So this is creating a lower low to the downside, lower low. Why this one is now creating a lower high? The second one is now a lower high. You have this. So you are having a divergence, okay, um, at this point. So it shows a reversal. It shows that the price is about to reverse. It shows weakness among buyers, even though the chart is still showing you that bearish movement, but the indicator down here is showing you reversal. It's showing you weakness among sellers, okay. So at this point you now start looking for buying opportunities. So the traditional way of trading this, once you see divergence, you just enter a buy at this point, okay. Once you see the divergence, just enter a buy at this point. But that's not what we are going to be doing, right? We are going to be, applying more things, okay, just to make sure that we have more confluences to buy. We make the kind of better or quality entry, right? So instead of you after identifying this divergence, you just buy here. So that's not what we are going to be doing, because sometimes the price can still give you divergence and keep going to the downside. So you don't want to make that mistake of buying just because you have seen a divergence, right? So if you like what you have seen already, please like and leave a comment on this video. If you're just watching my video without subscribing, you are missing a lot. Just subscribe, smash that like button, leave a comment, and smash the red subscribe button for me, okay? Join the community and on Telegram, okay. We have a trading community where I drop signals for free, completely free. Remember also, I don't do investment program, I don't manage anybody's account, I don't even have a paid signal group. So avoid being scammed or anything like that. So we proceed with the video. Now that we have this divergence, okay, let me just pick a line to mark this. So this is our divergence right here. Okay, and we have this also right here, sorry. So now that I have this divergence right here, what do we have to do? We now go to a lower time frame, which is 15 minutes time frame. This is 1 hour time frame, guys. Okay, you go to 15 minutes time frame. So now let's shift back to where we have this line. Okay, so this is our divergence right here. Okay, so now if you go to 15 minutes time frame, 15-minute time frame, you are no longer looking at the divergence. You are focusing now on the main chart, right? You identify divergence on a higher time frame like 1 hour, then go to 15 minutes time frame for your entry. So on 15 minutes time frame, after this divergence, where you are going to be making entry, you want to see the price push up, okay, and break this 50 EMA, that's 50 exponential moving average, right? Once the price break this 50 EMA, you don't enter. Okay, you don't have to enter once it breaks it. So you just wait for the price to retrace back to the EMA, okay, to create a new low that is higher than this one, okay? You have the price giving you that in the chart. The price should also show you the sign of reversal. The price should also show you a higher high, okay? So in this chart, the price breaks the EMA and retests the EMA, then you buy. So the price have to break the EMA on 15 minutes time frame and retest it before you buy. So you don't just have to buy because the price have cleared that EMA point. You need to wait for the price also to retest the EMA. As the price is retesting the EMA, the price is also creating another low, okay, which is a lower high. Okay, so once you see that, that's the point you are going to be buying. So you're going to be buying at this point. Okay, so let's see more example. Okay, let's go to, this is crash, so let's go to boom 1000. So we go to 1 hour time frame quickly. I think I marked out something. Okay, here we have a divergence again. Okay, we have the price creating a lower low. Okay, then the price here is creating a higher low. Hope you are seeing this. This is the point. The price is creating a lower low in the main chart here, while the price is creating a higher low in our indicator. Okay, you can see that clearly. So we go to 15 minutes time frame again. So we look for that point. Okay, look at the point. We have this divergence right here. So what are we checking out? We have the price break. We don't just enter here. Okay, we don't just enter here. Okay, even though the price have given us this sign creating a higher low here, because this is a low, the price created another swing low which is higher than the previous one, but the price did not clear our EMA first. So here the price clears the EMA, retest back to the EMA, wait for the price to retest to the EMA. So once the price retests the EMA, that's where you buy. Okay, then coming to the stop loss, where are we going to put our stop loss? Stop loss should be below this low. Okay, where you have this low. So once the price clears the EMA, you are going to be buying at this point. The price just pull back a bit and push to the upside, or you wait for the price to create a low. Two ways to enter this trade: either you just buy once the price is retesting the EMA, at this point you buy, or you simply wait for the price to create a new low, and you have seen it, another swing low. Okay, at this point, then you buy after that swing low, which is you are going to buy somewhere here, maybe when you see bullish engulfing candlestick at that low or something like that, just like what we have right here. You can wait for the bullish engulfing, but look at another bullish engulfing. So anywhere you are buying here, you are not making any mistake. Okay, just make sure that your stop loss is below this low here. Okay, so once your stop loss is here, you are good to go. So that's another example on boom 1000. So we can check maybe boom 500. This thing happen in all you can even trade it not just only on boom and crash. You can trade it on volatilities too, but I'm just using boom and crash for this. Okay, so look at this one here. We have this the price creating, you can see here, lower high. at this point, but the indicator section is giving us lower low. So let me mark out this divergence again. You have this, let me pick this. Okay, we have the price creating lower low. Okay, well, we can equally use this one. I think that's the one I'm supposed to use. So then here the price is creating, giving us divergence again. So you can see the difference here. Okay, so once you have this, we switch to 15 minutes time frame to check our entry on 15 minutes time frame, guys. Okay, so this is 15 minutes time frame. So what's happened? The price here, you can see the price break above our EMA, retested it. You are going to be buying anywhere around this zone. Remember, your stop loss is going to be below here. Then even though if you miss this entry, you still have another entry, break and retest again, you are going to buy here again. Okay, so this is simple. You can check this out yourself, back test it yourself before trading it if you feel like. Okay, so this is exactly how you can take advantage of two simple indicators to know the turning point of the market and make some money for yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video, share this video. Don't forget to leave a good comment on this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.